Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of Excel Essential to learn the essentials of the usage of Excel. So if you are planning to learn about Excel from the beginning, then you are in the right place because we will cover in this class from the basic to advanced. This is a beginner level class. So if you have no previous experience, then you can join in this class. Let's take a look what you will learn from this class. One is going to be Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Two is how to use the workspace of Microsoft Excel, including its ribbons and tabs. Three, using basic formulas and functions. Four is going to be data entry and formatting. Five is going to be cell referencing. There is absolute cell reference and relative cell reference. And six, we're going to learn about data management. Seven is going to be graph and charts. And eight is going to be data validation. After completing this class, you will be able to express your ideas freely and go through the workspace of Excel. You will have the confidence and skills to effectively or efficiently use Excel for various tasks. You can use basic formulas and function very easily. You'll be able to create a strong foundation for more advanced functionalities in Microsoft Excel. In the end, you'll be able to save data and know how to share your own data whenever you want. This is a project-based class. So during learning, you will have class project. So what you have learned, you will be able to participate in class project. So you can do practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in the class. So it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I am always there to help you. So let's start learning Excel Essential together.